Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hamilton, local and long-distance movers near me. A move of 100 miles or more is considered a long-distance move. This is regardless of whether you are moving between states or even across the nation. For such a move, you will require the services of a long-distance mover to make sure everything arrives to the destination in the same condition it left the previous location. Long-distance moves require proper planning, especially if you are making an accurate cost estimate. Factors that will affect the price of such a move include a distance and the number of the belongings being moved. In order to facilitate your planning for the move, we offer our customers a free quote. Considering and planning a long-distance move can be hectic and time-consuming, but with the help of the right movers, the process can go smoothly. We do the heavy lifting for you so that you don't need to load or unload. We also offer packing services in case you're not able to pack it yourself, along with the required packing supplies. If your move is less than 100 miles, whether it's across town, within the state, or even across the state, then the relocation is considered a local one. 3 Movers offers local moving services that will cater to your local moving needs. A short distance move can be just as cumbersome as any other move, and therefore seeking the help of a mover is and can help you make the already difficult action somewhat simpler. You don't need to worry about hiring a truck or hauling furniture from an apartment. We will help you move your belongings across town in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hamilton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.